welcome back to another SAP customer self-service video. So today we're going to talk about network order routing so that you can set up order routing that goes to different people based upon the address that is being ordered from. So if you need orders to go to multiple salespeople or multiple locations, you can set up an override that will do that order routing for you. So to get started, we do have some prereqs. The first thing is you'll need Ariba Network Administrator access. You can't do this as a non-administrator, so you'll need admin access. You will need the ship to location code, which is the customer ship to ID. If you don't know this, if they didn't provide it to you, you can actually grab it off of the purchase order. You'll need your internal email address that you want to route orders to. That may be a sales desk or a person individual. And then we're going to discuss the action on adding this order routing. So I do have additional slides, so we can send that to you. If you reach out to us, we'll send you these slides that go step by step. But I'm actually going to log into a demo site here and just demonstrate it in a live site for you. So once you're logged in, you're going to click on this settings page, and instead of going to electronic order routing here, you're actually going to go under customer relationships. Once you go to customer relationships, you're going to look to the customer that you need to provide that order routing for. This will default up here. You're going to choose custom order preferences. Choose the OK button here. Down here you'll notice that I've already added a exception here, and that's okay. We're just going to go ahead and remove that to demonstrate it again. So I'm going to choose the add exception. I'm going to set a condition where the location code. So you can do this on other things besides the location code. Today we're going to focus on the location code, and I'm going to choose is. You'll see there is a is not as well, but today we're going to choose is. You will drop in that buyer address code, select enable, and then hit OK. At this point you just enter in your email address and you are ready to go. You can include the CXML, which most people, if you receive an email, probably don't want that markup language, so that's like the actual code, so to speak. But you may want to include documents and attachments as well. From there, you're just going to scroll to the top or bottom, choose the next button, expose the routing details to the customer. The reasons that you would want to expose this is so that your customer can actually see where that order was routed to, so that they know who to email or who to call if there's a problem or they want to check status, etc. However, if you are using a third-party logistics partner where you're emailing the orders to maybe a fulfillment center that you contract with, or maybe you have an inside sales desk that doesn't handle the customer service side of it, then you would choose no on this. And so that's the justification behind that question. You know, nothing too complex about it, just give you the option to do that. Once you choose select here, you will see a laundry list of items. If you choose, you can review this order exception, and you can see that based on this location is and the location code, then we're going to email it over to this user. So at that point, you're just going to choose the submit button, and that is all that you need to do. Pretty straightforward, not real hard to set up. As well, since we're here and already in the system, if you needed to look for a address or ship to code, you can go out to a recent purchase order, and the ship to code that we're referencing is right here on this ship to. Thanks for the time. Hope that this was useful information for you, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks.